Did you know Arnis, also known as Eskrima or Kali, is the national martial art of the Philippines? It emphasizes stick fighting, bladed weapons, and hand-to-hand combat. Practiced for centuries, this martial art focuses on speed, agility, and adaptability, skills that were essential for Filipino warriors. Today, Arnis is taught worldwide, combining ancient techniques with modern combat methods.
Okay. Sapa. Tamaan, ha?
Tama, huwag magalit.
1, 2,
Oh.
Kamay. Tulak. Kada palo, tulak. 2. Yan. Yan. Sige. 2. Kamay, dito lagi isang kamay. Yan. Lagyan yan. Kasi ulgay dyan siya. 2. Next. 3. Galing doon sa kabila. Galing doon. Yan. Yan. Push. Yan. Lagi na kagano'n yung pagpalo. Balik na naman sa loob. 3. Yan. Okay. 4. Galing ulit doon. 4. Push din na siya. Yan. 4. Galing sa taas. Yan. Yan. 4. 5. Dito. Lagi. 5. Yan. 6. Tiga.
Iya.
Posisyon. Yan. Posisyon.